Hi guys, so yeah, I know I've already done this, I already back home, but let's come and do Tracy this, but she's never done it. Watch my riders rolling in. Oh, it look like I get it tired, Emilia. Tracy did our 2 laps or is 1? They did their 2 laps? They did their 2 laps? 1? So I don't get it. I think they need to do their 2 laps. They only did 1 lap, you know? Huh? They only did 1 lap.
Sure.
Yeah. You do 2? How much lap you do? 1? You only did 1 lap. Go on again for your practice, trust me. You have to. You see, because you just learn how to do your 1 lap, it's better just learn the 2 lap. Yeah. Go good, buddy. You see you make a lap? You see I make it lap? Go make the next one now.
Again?
Yes.
No, I did twice.
You did it twice? Oh, okay.
Where is Mandy?
She's gone to her last lap.
I need some water. Some water.
I don't know if you can hear me, but we just came from around here and we're going straight ahead. I cannot use my camera while I'm doing this because I need my 2 hands to maneuver the ATV. So yeah, the 3 back riders here. That's Evan. We wait on Tracy, Amanda and Jamila to come. You made it up. You made it up. Hi guys, so we're here after we finish job riding. We're here at Magaritville and we have lunch, and then I guess we'll probably go to the beach side. I don't know if we're going to the beach side here or we're going to go to the Northern Beach. I'm not sure, but that's what we're doing. Who's that? No hi, no.
What's up,
Alright, bye. Bye, Evan. Bye. We don't need you. So let me show you guys our other place.
Garotos.
first I got pasta.
For the yes. She normally teeth out mine, but I was still hurt this time. You know. Alright, so we check back in a little bit.
So I'm having a watermelon hydration and Evan is having, what are you having?
Island Mule. Island Mule.
Okay.
It's a blend with Appleton and cranberry and pineapple bitters.
What you having, Mandy?
I'm having pina colada.
What you saying?
Virgin.
No, it's not virgin with
Virgin.
alcohol.
What you having, Jamelia? Bumbo. And what you having, Trey?
Virgin.
Pineapple juice. Your all-time favorite.
Water.
And what you having?
It's
Water.
You see most of them? And water full, that enough? That's why we have belly over here, so.
Don't talk. Speak for yourself.
Wait, oh, over here,
Say
so.
over here, so you on that side. Why you mean so? Over here, so. No, over here.
Over here, so. Alright, let me do it again. That's why over here, so.
Have belly.
Have belly. Alright, we're done.
So healthy. None.
Healthy be fat? This is just cheese.
I know. Everyone says, mother, no, everyone.
It's sweet for no reason.
Right? Okay, the same thing.
Let's try this again because the last place was like it's still sweet for no reason. Like them put what you call water or soda.
What is that mean?
Soda water.
But it's just 1 punch or 2 punch?
Fruit punch. Virgin.
Them don't have blended fruit punch like, you know, like
I thought that would be it, like with the fruit at the end, but again.
Oh, you'd have to probably ask them for a blended one.
yeah. But that don't even look like regular
Fruit punch. They look like a syrup.
Yeah.
Yes.
It looks like fruit drink.
Yes.
Like-
Exactly.
Alright, it tastes a little bit better now. A little bit better. They needed to add some water. This is what I got from appetizer. The quesadilla. We're gonna grab. Look at food. That chicken looks so juicy and nice. People can't hear me at all.
Of course.
No matter about carbs over there, so as per usual. But the food is so nice. Food looks so nice. So this is my food, guys. So nice. I haven't tried it yet though, but it looks so nice. The chicken nice?
Yeah, nice.
You will eat it?
No.
So you know say nice.
It looks nice.
So it tastes nice?
It's gotta be nice.
No, it doesn't.
It looks good too.
Whatever.
Alright, so we decided to check out Ocean's 11. A little walk down from Magaritville, but we decided to drive anyway, so we're here.
Tastes actually like recommended, and so yeah, that's the difference between us and the mass.
Is my weight proper in that video that you just did?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Is this pistachio that you want? Can I try it?
Yes, pistachio is it. And it's green. No, it's green. And Mandy loves green.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yes, green is her favorite color.
And
Yes, it is.
chocolate.
So we're by this ice cream spot, right? Well, it's not ice cream. It is gelato. So we're at this gelato spot. The red velvet ice cream. If you're in Ochi and you come here, the red velvet is the truth. And if you're a black coffee lover, you can have the coffee one. It's a very good as well. And definitely try this one. It's the lemon. Was it this? It's a lemon sorbet.
Sorbet.
I can try the
Yeah.
one. I think I want the favorite, but I just want to try the one.
You can try that and tell me how you think it tastes. But I don't know. I don't know about it yet. But I'm having the red velvet. Yes. It's so rich, isn't it?
Wait, this is the Ferrero? Wait, is this any of try? Oh, okay. Wait, give it a try. You want to Ferrero? Okay. I think you have to come back. But my earphones now work with you.
And this is our friend. What's your name? Yeah, that's our friend Delano. And it's a part of Ocean 11? Okay. Okay, so it's Cafe Ocean 11.
Gift shop, liquor store, bar. And the #1 watering hole outside of Kingston.
Well, you can't say that about Kingston because you're not in Kingston. Okay. Oh, I never hear the outside, but I'm only here in Kingston. You all need to be in Kingston though.
Yeah.
The truth right there. Right there.
Yeah. And then the officer.
It looks creamy though.
And it's no cream.
I know, but it looks. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
Outside.
Huh?
You can just put some more pan and see if it come out. That's like sweet.
I think everybody likes them there. Don't want to empty more.
Still not good.
I can't use my spoon, I think that.
That's not sanitary.
Alright.
Red velvet.
On the regular one.
And then I want it to be put in a cup so it don't leak.
You want to taste the Ferrero?
It's my favorite in the ones that have cream. Ferrero. It was coconut, but then Ferrero come. There's also one called tiramisu. But it's tiramisu. Yo, that's a bomb.
So I do have that.
Because it's too good. So
Let's see.
it comes like 2 weeks on but people will come just make
For that.
It's a bit of coffee with Ferrero Rocher and all of that with the boy.
That sounds good.
Red velvet.
Yeah.
Okay. You know when you go use the bathroom, it's not come over it.
I don't care. At least I know what I ate. This is how you have your ice cream on a cone, but not cone. Especially in Jamaica, where it's very hot, you need that cup.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Huh? No. I don't remember.
At home. Yeah, bless her. Oh yeah, 2 blast. I did that on purpose though. Boy never said it. Yeah, the ice cream getting on point.
I shouldn't be getting all this anymore.
I wonder why.
That's already fun.
So that's it for Ocean's 11. Feeling fabulous.
That's cool though. Since I've had the ice cream.
Ice cream makes you cool. So now we're gonna head somewhere. I'm not sure where we're heading. We're head somewhere. Probably up on Nigel. No man, Nigel we're going.
Guys, so we're at Jam Zone tonight. Yes. Sorry. Whoop.
Can you stop cute face, please? Hi guys, I do my makeup on my own.
So you guys already know this one. Melia. Monday again. No, we have a new, well, we have two new faces. We have Tashel. And your name is? Who? I'm not hearing you. Richard. Yeah, so those are the two additional faces to our group tonight.
Did you dress here? Don't do that.
What? Go-kart. They should have had go-kart. Go-kart in here, so? Are you crazy? Inside here, a go-kart? Let's do our first one and she fix up on some. I don't like this side of the port over there, so over here is a slant.